The Hays County EMS Association is expanding mental health resources for medics.
KVUE's Jessica Cha spoke with the fairly new labor union about how it's all in honor of a friend and co-worker who lost his battle to mental illness and how they want to keep it from happening again.
Hays County's first EMS union is new in town, just created last summer.
We're currently bargaining our first collective bargaining agreement with the company.
And 2 weeks ago, they succeeded in expanding mental health resources for their team.
So now employees will have access to not only our peer support team, but our contracted therapist for a period up to 180 days if needed after employment, regardless of the terms of separation.
It's all in honor of an old friend.
It really stemmed from a buddy of ours 4.5 years ago that worked for the company. Shortly after leaving the company, he ended up taking his own life.
On the outside, friend and ambulance partner Dylan Thompson says you wouldn't have guessed Hayden Henshaw was struggling.
Just always positive, loved helping people and made patients laugh all the time.
Thompson met Henshaw in 2014 when they went to paramedic school and then got the job in Hays County EMS together. But the work can get to people.
We have to be ready at a moment's notice for the worst things that people see.
Philip says that the things that they experience on the job don't always stop once you clock out.
80% of all first responders will report some type of mental trauma throughout their career, with PTSD being 1 in 3 in first responders, where it's 1 in 5 in the general population.
While mental health struggles aren't new to EMS workers, Henshaw's death came as a shock.
I think when something like that happens to someone so close to you, a part of you kind of goes with them. So
Thompson says after that, peer support teams with therapists and resources were established for Hays County EMS. But help can still be hard to ask for, so the union wants to expand resources even more.
We need to kill the stigma because the stigma is killing us. So
Philip says the agreement will also allow for timeouts after critical calls for peer support teams to mentally debrief crews, and it'll allow for more mental health days off. A new union fighting old problems. In Hays County, Jessica Cha, KVUE News.